Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to cook a very simple beef curry dish. First you put oil in a pan and then you add the beef and stir it until it's cooked. When it's cooked, please remove it from the pan, and then with another clean pan you put vegetable oil and add the curry paste and then stir it. When it's boiling, you add the coconut milk and you keep on stirring until it boils, and then add the beef and then add also the garnishing and there. And then after adding the garnishing, you keep on stirring it and then cover it. Let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes and you're done. And thank you for watching. Shout out to all the people who watch this video.